Cleaning. Wow, this last one is a very big size elephant.
Splash, 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 splash.
Oh, crocodile. Oh, this is a sheep.
Hey everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new video, and here is many colorful of animal. So today I will introduce and cleaning all of animal. Let's go. That is the first one is here. Ha ha ha. This one is a big animal I collecting in my bucket here. There is the another one is pink color animal. Oh ho ho! Next one is a blue color. Oh, that's so nice. There is another one. Oh ho ho! That is the big one. I collecting. There is a next one. Oh ho ho! And there is another green color animals. There is a big one. Another green color animal. Hey, hey, hey. And there is the next one. Oh, ho. This one is a blue color. This is a pink color animals. There is another one. Ho, ho, ho. And that is the last one is a green. I collecting this one. So guys, here is my all of animal. So let's go for cleaning.
So friends, now I will cleaning all of this colorful animal in this water. First one is a blue color animal. Now I will clean this one and introduced with you. Let's go for cleaning. Wow, first one is cow. I collect this one at my side here. And next one is pink color animal. Wow, this is blue whale.
I'm the blue whale. I'm the blue whale.
Another one is a big size yellow color animal. Now I will clean this also. Wow, this one is a big size dinosaur.
Amazing. They come from the air blowing through her crest.
Now I take this one for cleaning. Oh, this is a sheep.
Amazing.
Another one is here, a pink color animal. Wow, shark here.
Catch the shark, do 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 do. Catch the shark, do 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 do. Catch the shark, do 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 do. Catch the shark.
Next one is yellow color animal. Wow, this is a dog. Another one is blue color animal. Oh, this is lion. Now I take this big size yellow color animal. Wow, this is zebra.
Zebra in the zoo, zebra in the zoo, zebra in the zoo.
I also collect this one here. Now I take this pink color animal. Oh, crocodile. Next one is here, green color animal. Wow, this is a dog. I also collect this green color animal. This is my last animal, and now I will clean this and finally introduce with you. Cleaning, 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 cleaning. Wow, this last one is a very big size elephant.
Splash, 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 splash.
I also collect this one at my side here. So friends, all of this animal clean and introduced with you, and now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination animal.
You are not family friendly.